So, there's a company in Santee, California called Core. And they sent me a package. Let's open it up and see what the store brought. Well, let's see. And just to say, I really do like to support all the companies in California, one of the least 2A friendly states. So yeah, if you guys can support these guys, you know, they're fighting the good fight. So this is a belt from Core, and it also comes with a heavy duty hanger, which I need to figure out how to properly use, and a little belt loop, some hardware, a little Allen wrench and a couple of screws, and the buckle itself. This is the X3 buckle, and it's in gunmetal. Looks like very nice finish. Oh yeah, it also comes with a sleeve. It's a protector sleeve which will fit 1.5 to 1 3/4 inch belts. Yep, so that's Core Essentials, and the belt feels pretty rigid. So let's help the snake shed its skin. Yeah, it definitely feels solid. The inner shell is made out of super strong polymer, and the outside shell is 500-pound rated nylon. This is the ratcheting system that this company actually holds two patents, two original patents on the ratcheting system. And again, the stitching is immaculate. I mean, it looks very, very well made. That's the buckle. And on the back you see it's got a little clip with teeth and a couple of screws. And we will put this whole thing together in a second. It's actually a very ingenious design, you know. Put the belt in, snap the teeth, that clamp with the teeth closed, tighten up the screws, and you're set to go. Pretty buckle. All right, in order to prepare it for your big belly, get to your size. Get to your size. The back of the belt is marked in 1-inch increments for dummies like me. So you find your size, and then you'll essentially count 6 from your size. 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we're going to cut it right there. Grab a very sharp pair of scissors. And man, you can just feel how tough this belt is. These are pretty sharp scissors. I'm still having a little bit of a time to cut it off. Cuts off nice and smoothly. I don't see any frayed ends. But we're going to make sure that there aren't any threads coming apart. We're going to singe off the ends. Make it nice. Hot, 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 hot. Yep, so it's all good to go. Don't worry, it comes with directions. Even I understood. All right, so here's the hardware. Let's get that little Allen wrench out. And loosen up the screws on the buckle. I will be putting up a complete in-depth review in the field. I'm going to wear it out to the desert, see what it can handle. Just do a brief demonstration of it in action. Anyway, so once you cut it off, lift up the teeth, the clip with the teeth, and push the belt all the way until it stops. Close the clip, snap, and tighten up the screws. I apparently dropped one of the screws, but I will find it in a second. There's nowhere far it can go. So let's just tighten up one just a little bit. And on the floor, we will find that second screw. There it is. Okay, let's put it in. Exciting. Look at that. Let's tighten those things up. Okay. Don't over tighten them. I mean, you know, you don't want to strip them. The teeth are going to hold the belt in. This is just an extra security measure. So once it stops, just stop tightening and we should be good. Nice and solid. Yep. There's that little mechanism that allows you to loosen the belt. And just ratchet it in. Look at that. Click, 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 click. You can adjust this belt in quarter-inch increments, which is really, really nice, you know. Imagine you go out to eat and you're 32 or 33, and after the meal you're like, oh my God, I'm 33 and a half. No problem, you can adjust it. So I think this belt is really going to look good with dress slacks if you go out on the town. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this little presentation, and make sure to check out my video where I test it out and actually put it on and see what it can handle. I shall be posting a link to it in the description. If you're interested in getting a new belt, I don't think you can go wrong with this one. This is a really quality piece of merchandise, and yeah, make sure to check out my other video, like and subscribe, and you'll get similar kind of content. All right, guys. Bye.